Welcome to the enigmatic world of decorants, where we delve deep into the captivating art of pumpkin painting that will send shivers down your spine. Among the pumpkins, some may be adorable, but today we are poised to unveil a collection of chillingly creative pumpkin painting techniques, accompanied by invaluable tips and tricks that will ensure your pumpkins exude haunting beauty. So, prepare to harness your cauldron of creativity as we embark on a journey to conjure Halloween magic in a tale spun on a moonlit night within the heart of an ancient forest, a gathering of intrepid souls huddled around a flickering campfire. Their quest was to unlock the arcane secrets of pumpkin painting, an art whispered to be an heirloom, bearing the enigmatic power of generations past. As the campfire's flames cast flickering shadows, a mysterious figure emerged from the darkness, known only as the Trickster, the guardian of forbidden techniques capable of transforming pumpkins into eerie masterpieces. Sponge painting, the ghostly texture. The Trickster commenced the narrative by employing a sponge soaked in midnight black paint. Each gentle dab transferred the sponge's cryptic whispers onto the pumpkin's surface, bestowing it with a ghostly, textured visage that seemed to beckon spirits from realms beyond. Ombre effect, the dance of twilight. Next, the artist conjured an ombre effect, seamlessly blending twilight hues. As the paint flowed gracefully from the pumpkin's crown, it danced akin to the fading light of a setting sun, creating an eerie gradient that defied the natural order. Splatter painting, the malevolent stars. With a sinister grin, the Trickster flicked a blood-red paintbrush across the pumpkin's canvas. The resulting splatters resembled malevolent stars, casting ominous enchantments upon all who gazed upon it. Stenciling, the portal to darkness. From the depths of their cloak, the Trickster produced an enigmatic stencil. Placing it delicately upon the pumpkin's visage, they began painting intricate runes that appeared to form a portal to a realm veiled in darkness and enigma. Drip painting, the weeping wraith. With a malevolent chuckle, the Trickster poured paint atop the pumpkin, allowing it to ooze and drip, akin to the tears of a weeping wraith. The outcome was a haunting masterpiece, a testament to the pumpkin's tormented soul. Decoupage, the curse of whispers. The hooded figure whispered an incantation and affixed fragments of ancient texts to the pumpkin's skin, binding it with the curse of whispered secrets. It seemed as though spirits themselves had etched their enigmas onto the pumpkin's surface. Glitter painting, the enchanted elixir. Finally, the Trickster unveiled a vial of enchanted glitter. As it scattered across the pumpkin, it appeared to sparkle with the essence of 1,000 lost wanderers, ensnared within its luminous embrace. As the artist concluded their tale, the campfire flickered one last time. The pumpkins around them began to radiate an otherworldly glow, and the forest itself seemed to murmur its approval. Mystical mosaics, the puzzle of darkness. The artisan introduced a technique known as mosaic painting. It involved crafting intricate, cryptic shapes and patterns on the pumpkin's surface, akin to pieces of a dark puzzle slowly aligning to reveal a mysterious image. Chalkboard charm, the secrets of the unknown. With a mere wave of their hand, the artisan conjured a pumpkin cloaked in chalkboard paint, a canvas of limitless potential. The artist explained how this enchantment allowed for endless transformations, enabling the drawing and erasing of various designs with a simple swipe. Silhouette sorcery, the shadows of imagination. The artisan summoned a ghostly apparition stencil and placed it upon the pumpkin. With a single, elegant brushstroke, they painted the silhouette of a haunting scene, where the shadows of enigmatic creatures danced under the moonlight. Sgraffito secrets, the unveiling of mysteries. As the narrative continued, the artisan unveiled a technique known as sgraffito. It involved applying a base coat and then meticulously scratching it away with a sharp tool, much like a magician, revealing concealed truths beneath the surface. Ready to elevate your Halloween decor, whether it's for the outdoors or indoors? Dive into a world of inspiration, tips, and tricks on our blog. Explore decorants.com and keep the enchantment alive. Watercolor witchery. The translucent spell. The artisan spoke of diluting acrylic paint with water to create a translucent, watercolor-like effect. Layer upon layer, the colors melded together like specters in a graveyard, crafting a haunting masterpiece. Ink of the damned, the final incantation. Lastly, the artisan introduced a finishing touch, ink or fine-tip markers. These tools allowed one to add intricate and delicate details to their pumpkin's chilling countenance, as if etching the very souls of the departed. And so, these valiant souls departed that night, each carrying the knowledge of these mysterious techniques. They understood that when they returned to their own realms, they would conjure pumpkins that would recount tales of terror, wonder, and enigma. The legend of the trickster and their haunted pumpkin painting techniques persisted through the ages, inspiring artists to push the boundaries of the eerie and the mystical. There you have it, a captivating compendium of 150 mesmerizing pumpkin painting ideas that will make this Halloween unforgettable. We hope you found inspiration in this enchanting journey. If you have, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your favorite pumpkin design in the comments below. Happy painting!